This video is for informational purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency mining involves inherent risks. Ever wondered how new cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are created and enter circulation? It all starts with a complex digital process known as mining. Crypto mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to a public ledger called the blockchain, ensuring the network's security and integrity. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, a mechanism known as proof of work, which is essential for decentralized networks. This process is often compared to digital gold mining because it's resource-intensive and introduces new digital assets into circulation. When a miner successfully solves a puzzle, they add a new block of verified transactions to the blockchain and are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency and transaction fees. The puzzle involves finding a specific numerical value, called a nonce, that, when combined with block data and hashed, produces a hash value meeting a target. This target is determined by the network's difficulty adjustment, which ensures a consistent rate of block addition regardless of the total computing power. The process begins with broadcast transactions, grouped into blocks by miners who compete to solve this computational problem. The first miner to find the correct nonce broadcasts their solution, which is then verified by other participants in the network. If valid, the block is added to the blockchain and the successful miner receives their reward. Bitcoin mining, for example, uses the SHA-256 algorithm, where miners repeatedly try nonces until a hash with a specific number of leading zeros is produced. This number of leading zeros indicates the current difficulty, and the difficulty adjustment mechanism maintains a consistent block discovery rate. Hardware for mining has evolved significantly, starting with CPUs, then moving to more powerful GPUs. Today, for many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, specialized application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, are predominantly used. ASICs are purpose-built and far more efficient for specific cryptocurrencies, offering superior hashing power. Setting up a mining operation requires reliable internet and, crucially, a substantial and consistent power supply. Electricity costs are a major factor in profitability, making cheap and reliable electricity vital for miners. Approaches to mining include solo mining, which is often impractical for individual miners due to high competition. Many miners join mining pools, where resources are combined to increase the chances of finding blocks and offer more predictable income. Another option is cloud mining, where users lease mining hardware from a provider, offering convenience but carrying its own risks. Profitability is influenced by several factors, including the cryptocurrency's price and network difficulty. Halving events, which reduce block rewards, also significantly impact potential earnings. Tools like ROI calculators can aid in estimating potential earnings by factoring in hardware costs, electricity, and current market conditions. The environmental impact of proof-of-work's energy consumption is a significant concern, leading to a push for sustainable practices. This concern has driven the development of alternatives like proof of stake, where validators are chosen based on their staked cryptocurrency, drastically reducing energy use. Ethereum's successful transition to proof of stake is a prime example of this shift. The future of crypto mining is expected to involve continued hardware innovation and a focus on energy efficiency. Research into efficient hardware and renewable energy sources is ongoing, aiming to address environmental issues. The long-term viability of proof-of-work mining depends on adapting to technological and regulatory changes. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech explainers.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.